This has given me some important skills into what I might like in a career, such as working with other people in a collaborative environment.
We get to interview some of the clinicians here, and interviewing them and asking them for guidance and what we could do next is really helpful.
You guys have, helped us so much, alleviate a lot of things that have been set on my shoulders and the business shoulders, just like the little things that I just couldn't get to, and I appreciate the help.
Every day there's something that Kaisa will bring up that I haven't heard of. I've learned a lot since I first started.
Peyton, thank you so much for joining me on this adventure this summer. You're such a sweet, young, smart girl, and I'm proud of you for the things that you have just jumped in and helped out with.
After a while, he picked it up. So, yeah, like I said, I wish I can keep him a little bit longer.
I generally do basic like laboratory tasks. I clean up around the lab, and then I will also run experiments.
That the intern is both smarter, more well-spoken, and more engaged than I would have expected out of a high school student.
I feel like it's the best thing that I've done. Like, it just makes me feel like I can communicate better, and I just feel more mature in a sense. I like going to the weekly trainings to hear the topics.
The trainings, they're really informational, and it kind of helps me a lot just to learn about like basic stuff you're going to need in the real world later on.
It's been great working with all of you guys, and I hope that you can move forward into the future.
Yeah, it's been great to have all the interns at Computers for Kids. Every time that we get students, a good experience because everybody's different. And I wish you the best in your careers.
Thank you for all the hard work that you've done, Liliana. I appreciate all the questions and your participation in things. And I wish you the best. And if you ever need anything, feel free to reach out to any one of us.
But this year we spent a lot of time updating like laptops or Chromebooks or these machines and preparing for the school year.
I appreciate your work. I can't thank you all enough except Valentino. Again, every day was a delight coming in, seeing you working with us.
To Eden and Madhavi, you guys are awesome. Be willing to network, to talk to people, be outgoing. That's obviously going to be helpful in the future. And I know you guys are going to do great, so thank you for all your hard work this summer.
Danny, I want to thank you for deciding to participate in the home run program. I think that you've done an amazing job acclimating into the team here at Community Development. A lot of people are very fond of you. I really appreciate you coming here and spending your summer with us.
It's a great opportunity. You meet a lot of great people, and it's just overall a good time.
Well, for all of Solectric interns, Devon, Lotus, Ibrahim, and Colin, they are great people. I know they're going to be hard workers.
The learning experience that you get, especially if you get an internship related to the field that you want to go into, it gives you great experience.
Sal and Natalie, I really appreciate your earnestness for learning new things, and I really hope you got a great foundation for your own creativity and future professional projects as well too.
Thank you for participating. I know that probably wasn't easy, and it was a challenge, and it was scary, but I appreciate and I respect how brave you're being for doing this. And I want you to know how much it's helped me on my farm.
To Hannah, Saeed, Joe, and Tony, you guys have been extremely amazing. During the interview, you guys blew my mind, and during your work, you are constantly, every day, just blowing my mind. There are big doors and major doors that's going to be opened up for every last one of you.
Bryson, you've come a long ways since you started here. I was surprised at how quick you picked up the systems. You have a natural knack for electrical systems and HVAC.
I would suggest that you follow in this field.
The procedure I got to watch was that they take part of the cornea from the donor to give to a recipient. I've never done anything like that before, so I thought it was pretty cool.
DJ, we have been so excited to have you with our organization. You have just fit in perfectly. You are always willing to jump in and do whatever's asked of you. So we wish you nothing but the best in your college career and beyond.
Every week we have camp, so we help with setting up crafts and monitoring the kids, and I help out with lunch personally.
Thank you, Hannah and Savannah, for all your listening, showing up early and on time. Keep looking forward. You're on the right track already. Thank you so much.
It's really nice for the campers to see and look up to you guys. So thank you for everything you offered this summer. Thank you for putting in the time and being out here in the heat, and we really appreciate it.
Home Run interns, thank you for taking this opportunity and really putting yourselves out there into the community to learn stuff for yourself and also just like foster the work environment here in West Sacramento, regardless of what type of work you're doing.
Be confident, whatever somebody teach you, just learn with the confidence. Don't be shy, you're doing good.
Find something you like to do. It's one of those things where, it does take time to find something you want to do, but once you find it, it doesn't feel like work anymore.
You guys are just all so amazing. Even the ones that we interviewed, you guys are just all amazing. And I hope that you guys all take this opportunity to learn and grow and hopefully, be able to meet you guys again as adults.
For all of the interns, we hope that you had an amazing time at each of your organizations that you work with, and we wish you all the best.